Each and every week here on Monday Night Raw, we make history. Each and every week, we have tremendous action. But I believe this week is looking like one of those legendary episodes we'll never, ever forget.
There will be moments created that will live forever in the annals of history, and we are just moments away from kicking off.
Wonder what this is about.
Well, things are about to get interesting.
Let's listen in as he addresses the WWE Universe.
Shh.
Because I don't care about you. Because I don't care about you. Bitch. Journey with the block, my mighty ball will crush you. When I come, the reckoning begins, your resistance. A case for the balance sheet, final warning, I merge the ring chancellor.
No lacking for confidence, that's for sure.
Because I don't care about you. Because I don't care about you. Bitch.
No lacking for confidence, that's for sure.
I guess believing you can do something sometimes makes it so, huh? Now we know what we have in store.
That makes me want to climb in the ring with him.
And if that's any indication, we're in for one epic night.